Boom! Hello guys, as you know, I'm Simeon Otieno and this Judy. As last week video we already presented with her, and she has some brilliant knowledge on how to use thread to make so very awesome toys. And this Patience, she's also called Angel, and I'll introduce her for this YouTube channel as I'll be also using her to make a very awesome toy. And the toy that we are gonna make today is a cobweb. We gotta make a cobweb by the use of this simple thread you see Judy is holding, and we'll go straight away on how to make this thread. Big thread. Boom! I'll make a double punch, and Judith will insert the thread, and she will help me unlock it. And as you can see, but please be careful, as we may harm or we may break the thread. And as you can see, we have already achieved something more of a cobweb like, but Judith is knitting our cobweb, and Angel will be holding it up. As you can see, we're already achieving something like a cobweb. For the second thread, Patience holds it, and we'll do it continuous. It will be a continuous knitting up to the point that will achieve and that's a joke I've just cracked.
Abiro. Abiro.
And hence the last need. And as you can see, you've already achieved a cobweb. As you can see, this is a cobweb, and if you find the video interesting on how to make this simple cobweb, you can look down in the description how to make it, or you can hire me to make you one with my little Judy and Patience. And thank you for watching.